Welcome back to my garden side quest. Today I am planting like crazy. So far we have planted determinate and indeterminate tomatoes, tomatillos, some herbs, some broccoli and cauliflower, cabbage, eggplant, kale, arugula, and now we are going to move on to lettuce. So for lettuce, we need, let's see, 1/4 of an inch deep. So I'm going to use my little thing here to do about 1/4 of an inch. Just make a little marking in each one of the cells to sprinkle the lettuce seed in. All right, let's get started. How many varieties of lettuce can I possibly plant? The answer is too many. Too many. Just like with all my other seeds, I need to do a better job of paying attention to what I like and what I don't like, so I can weed out varieties that either my family doesn't like or that don't grow good in zone 6A. This variety is a brand new one that I'm trying. It is Tom Thumb Dwarf Bib lettuce. So from the picture, it looks like little bitty heads of lettuce. This is slow bolt lettuce. Ooh, Sylvia lettuce. Okay. So I planted super red romaine lettuce by M.I. Gardner, and now I'm just going to plant some red romaine lettuce. What's the difference, I wonder? We'll have to do a side-by-side taste test. Next is good old romaine lettuce by Fairy Morse. Ooh. This is called Lola Rosa lettuce. by freeheirloomseed.org. This is from last year, though. I don't know if they have this available this year. This is Seeds and Such, little gem lettuce. These are little bitty romaine heads. They're quite delicious. And ready to harvest much quicker than romaine because they're little. Similarly, I have little Caesar heads. This is by Burpee. I have not tried this before, so it is new. New to me, I should say. Oh, that's way too much. There we go. Making a mess here. That was not a good choice. Now I've made a mess. Okay. Another lettuce variety that I have here is called Kangraner. This one is from Free Heirloom Seeds, also from last year. So not sure if they have it this year. This one was definitely a favorite last year by Fairy Morse. This is just Grand Rapid lettuce. This is Cimarron lettuce by M.I. Gardner. And then here we have some Butter Crunch head lettuce from Pine Tree. These seeds are from 2023. We'll see how they germinate. I've never had a problem germinating older seeds. All right, so this tray is full. I'm gonna slide it out of the way and slide over my next tray. Continue on. This is bronze lettuce. Next we have black seeded Simpson lettuce. This one is actually by Valley Green, which is sold at Menards. I think I got it for like 39 cents last year. It's the first time I'm opening this package, so we'll see how it does. Okay, and then I also have Bib Butterhead lettuce from M.I. Gardener. One of my biggest struggles with lettuce is reseeding. Once it's out in the garden, I do a terrible job of reseeding. I really need to get better at that. I tend to just peel off the outside leaves and let it keep growing, which works most of the time. All right, so all my lettuce is officially planted. These over here are just duplicates. Two last things that I'm going to plant today. One of them is loofah. What do you know about loofah? I know nothing. This is my very, very first year doing loofah. My husband really wanted us to try it, to try and make our own loofah sponges. I've kind of read mixed reviews about how successful these are in the Midwest. You're supposed to start them very, very early. I really should have planted these all the way back in early February when I started my pepper seeds. I did not, so we'll see how it works out this year. Some tips that I read online to be more successful with loofah seeds is to clip with a nail clipper the seed shell and then soak them in water overnight. So I did do that. So what I'm going to do in each one of the cells, I'm going to put a clipped and an unclipped seed to see which one germinates, if any of them do. And again, because this is my first time, I am putting 2 seeds in each cell, and I'm using more cells than what I normally use. Looks like these are not clipped. All right, so I have an entire row here of loofah. These are the burpee loofah seeds that Santa brought me in my stocking this year. And then the second type of loofah seeds that I'm planting are from freeheirloomseeds.org, and we'll see how those do. Again, I know nothing about loofah, other than they need a very long growing season, which we do not have here in the Midwest. And these I also clipped half of them. Perfect. All right. The last seeds that I'm planting today are nasturtium. So join me in a little bit for that.